Let me ask you something. What separates people who just consume content from those who build empires with it? What separates people who just consume content from those who build empires with it? It's not talent. It's not talent, it's not luck, it's leverage. In 2025, the most powerful form of leverage is artificial intelligence. And if you're still trying to work harder without using it, you're setting yourself up to lose. In 2025, the most powerful form of leverage is artificial intelligence. And if you're still trying to work harder without using it, you're setting yourself up to lose. I'm about to show you 5 AI tools that are transforming average people into ultra-efficient, high-income, focused creators, even if they have zero tech skills. These tools are how you outsmart, outwork, and outperform 90% of people still stuck in 2015.
Let's start with Jasper. Jasper is your AI copywriter, but more than that, it's your business brain on autopilot. Every day you're wasting time staring at blank screens, trying to write content, emails, product descriptions. With Jasper, it's done in minutes. Just give it a prompt, set your tone and audience, and boom, you've got clean SEO-friendly content. People are scaling entire businesses with Jasper newsletters, sales pages, content calendars. And the best part, it learns your voice. That's not just AI, that's creative leverage.
Next up, 11 Labs. This tool is wild. You're listening to it right now. This voice might not even be real. 11 Labs lets you generate ultra-realistic AI voiceovers. Want to run a faceless YouTube channel with pro narration? Done. Create audiobooks, reels, podcasts without recording yourself? Done. People are building entire brands anonymously with this tech. Different voices, accents, languages, all lifelike. It's not voiceover, it's vocal intelligence. Tool 3, Notion AI. This isn't just a productivity app, it's your second brain. It helps you plan, write, organize, synthesize, all in one clean dashboard. Structure your goals, your content, your business vision. It's faster and better than most human assistants. Most people manage tasks. You architect your life like a CEO. Productivity is outdated. Now it's about clarity, precision, and strategy. That's the edge. Tool 5, Opus Clip. Here's the play. One long-form video turns into 10 viral short clips, automatically. Opus uses AI to find your best moments, your highlights, your hooks. It generates TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, all formatted, subtitled, and edited. More exposure, more reach, more opportunities to grow. Work once, multiply the output. That's real leverage. Now you have the blueprint. 5 tools, 5 levers, 1 unfair advantage. You don't need more motivation, you need a system and the will to use it. Check the description below. I've listed every tool with exclusive offers and free trials. Subscribe if you're done consuming and ready to start building. The future doesn't belong to the motivated, it belongs to those who act. Let's go.